Looking for the best digital microscope in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best digital microscope available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The 7-inch Digital Coin Microscope is an excellent tool for collectors, hobbyists, and electronics enthusiasts. Featuring a sharp 5-pane camera and up to 1200x magnification, it delivers crisp images and detailed 1080p video output on the vibrant IPS display. The large 7-inch screen provides comfortable viewing without eye strain, making it ideal for extended inspection sessions. Its ultra-precise focusing system ensures accurate close-ups of coins, circuit boards, and small components. Equipped with 8 adjustable LED lights, it offers consistent illumination for clear visibility. Sturdy construction and user-friendly controls make this microscope a reliable and practical choice. Number 4. The HAVE 7 Digital Microscope is a powerful and versatile tool for precision work. With up to 1200x zoom and a 12-pane HUD camera, it delivers bright, clear images ideal for soldering, foam repair, and detailed inspections. The large display makes viewing easy, while the adjustable stand and LED lighting ensure consistent visibility. It's user-friendly and reliable, helping you spot tiny defects and work with confidence. Great value for hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 3. The Rybkov 10.1 Dummy Digital Microscope is a standout choice for serious hobbyists and professionals alike. Boasting up to 2000x magnification and a 20-pane sensor, it produces exceptionally detailed images and crisp 1080p video, perfect for inspecting coins, electronics, and intricate PCB components. The large 10.1-inch display provides excellent visibility, reducing eye strain during long sessions. With 10 adjustable LED lights, it offers bright and even illumination for clear, shadow-free views. Its dummy output lets you connect to external monitors or recording devices easily. Built with sturdy construction and intuitive controls, this microscope delivers precision, reliability, and performance for soldering, repair work, and detailed analysis. An impressive tool for both professionals and enthusiasts. Number 2. The aliexpress M4K Dummy Digital Microscope is a powerful tool for electronics and PCB inspection. With up to 2000x magnification and stunning 4K dummy output, it delivers incredibly detailed, crisp visuals on external displays. The 8-screen and 10 adjustable stand offer excellent viewing comfort and flexibility for soldering and repair work. Built-in LED lighting ensures bright, even illumination, making tiny components easy to examine. Its solid construction and intuitive controls make it ideal for both professionals and hobbyists. A high-performance microscope that enhances precision and efficiency in detailed electronic work. Number 1. The aliexpress M4K Autofocus 4K Digital Microscope delivers impressive clarity with up to 2000x magnification and crisp 4K dummy output, perfect for soldering and electronic repair. Its autofocus simplifies precision work, while the 8 display and 10 adjustable stand offer comfortable viewing. Built-in lighting ensures well-lit, detailed images of coins, PCBs, and small components. Reliable and easy to use, it's a great choice for hobbyists and professionals.